a global leader in tire repair tools and professional adhesives, connecting riders worldwide with premium repair solutions and industrial-grade bonding technology, proudly founded in Taiwan. Rooted in Taiwan's precision engineering heritage, Krönyo is an expert manufacturer built on industrial-grade standards and long-term reliability. Driven by a global vision, we support cyclists and professionals worldwide with dependable repair and bonding solutions they could trust. Through ISO-certified quality systems, every product, from rubber solution and rubber cemento RTV silicone and precision valve accessories, is engineered to meet international safety and performance expectations. Our tire repair kits deliver fast, reliable, and durable repairs with advanced rubber cement, glueless patches, and bike tire sealant solutions, built for real-world riding conditions. Industrial Bonding Technology-Krönyo's expertise goes beyond bicycles. Our professional adhesive portfolio, including rubber solution, rubber cement, and high-performance RTV silicone, delivers reliable performance in high-stress applications, from cycling to outdoor and professional use.